everyone. Welcome to Afroza Digital Marketing Studio. Today, let's understand what digital marketing actually is. Do you know how brands sell products online? That's called digital marketing. We use platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Google, Instagram, and website to reach customers. For example, Facebook ads, YouTube video, Google search results, and email promotion are all part of digital marketing. Benefits: we help business grow faster, reach more people, and earn more money online. Anyone can learn digital marketing: students, freelancers, and business owners. Follow Afroza Digital Marketing Studio to learn digital marketing step by step. Thanks for watching.